Hi guys, my name is Alexandra and today I'm going to be embroidering and using this doodler for the first time. I'm going to take my logo and I'm going to be putting it on a jacket. 3 years ago, I was teaching grade 5 full-time, and one day I got a call from my doctor telling me that I had been diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. I had to spend the whole next school year off on chemotherapy, but during that time I painted and I created a business out of it. Flash forward a couple months after chemo, I got a call saying, hey, we'd like to feature your artwork in this oncology magazine, which basically features cancer survivors. So I said, okay, sure, let's do it. And then flash forward maybe like 2 years after that, they called me up again and they said, hey, we want to fly you down to San Antonio, Texas to join us on an oncology conference where we would showcase your artwork. So I'm so excited about this opportunity. I can't wait to be down there and just show my art and to share my story. Anyways, part of my vision for something like this is to have a cute little jacket that has my logo on it. So let me show you my logo. I just made it up myself. I don't actually like have it in person per se, but you see that painted heart in the background? Okay, so that heart I just painted really quickly one day and then I put my signature on top, and that is my logo, which I love. I feel like as an artist, your signature can be your logo. Anyways, so I really want to embroider my logo on this jacket. I think it will just look so professional and polished and just really pop more than the paint. It will also just feel so much nicer. There's some great areas where we can do some fun things with it. And then when I'm in Texas, I can be wearing my jacket, promoting my business, but still looking cute. Okay, so we made a couple little tweaks, but here's the full design. It's my first time doing it, so I'm pretty proud of it. Now it's time to get it embroidered.
On our way. How are you feeling?
Nervous, but excited. Good work for Alexandra.
Yeah. What are you gonna paint?
I'm gonna paint a landscape, very vibrant clouds, rustic rocks.
How long do you have to paint it?
I have an hour and a half to paint.
That's it?
That's it.
All right, let's see what we got.
It's go time. We're here now. We're setting up. I'm gonna be painting a landscape on this canvas. Lots of bold, vibrant colors, new paints, new brushes, new palettes, and spray.
All right, closing down shop. What do you think?
That's the finished product.
Looking good.
Here's the jacket. We were a hit.
It's a video.
Oh. That's all. Okay, so I painted that painting in an hour and a half, so it wasn't like the best thing ever, but it was good.
All right.
Welcome to the Riverwalk. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching today. If you want to try the doodler yourself, you can click the link below in the description and try the doodler for free. Don't forget to watch the next video. See you later.